Saan tayo mapunta?
Hey guys, it's me again, Shiro J. Guys, dito na ako mag-ano. Kanina sa jeep kasi naaalog. And guys, binigyan ko rin ito, hindi ko alam ano. Wala kami bayad. Wala kami bayad. First time ko kasi mag-ano guys, mag-LRT. Kasi puro sa ko MRT ba? Kasi first time ko mag-joyride. Well, lagi ako joyride. Wala akong idea. Bobo mo. So, malalaman nyo guys, saan kami pupunta. Siya naman yung kasama. Wala. As always, siya yung kasama guys. Basta wala talaga ako idea. What is this? Picture ka guys. Uy, asan ka? Picture. Asan yung card mo? Yung ticket pala namin guys is libre pala kasi December 20 lahat ng mga kababaihan. Tara, ito na ko. Ano baba na yun ba? Sorry naman, hindi ko yung sanay. So, ayun lang guys. Wala kami talaga ka-idea. Ganun pala ganun pala yun. Libre pala kami. Nakalibre kami tuloy ng ng bayad. So, pupunta kami ngayon guys. Meron kami pupuntahan na party. Malalaman nyo mamaya kung saan yun. So, update ko lang kayo guys. So, ayun lang. See you later guys. Nahiya ako mag-vlog. James Reed! James Reed!
And good afternoon, everyone. Excited na ba kayo? Siyempre, nandito na si
Hindi ako excited.
So let's start with the prayer.
Sobrang salamat po sa inyo lahat for coming and for celebrating with us. It's a very big milestone, to be able to celebrate, especially me here kasi ako I'm overseas. So sabi ko nga, this is a very special event na na-attendan ko, and I thought that we would never do anything like this. And to be able to be here, seeing, for the start of someone someday, so grateful kami for you and Kat for saying yes to the project and making our dream come true, di ba? So, finally, be excited for next year. Again, welcome and enjoy. Thank you.
It's the 10th year anniversary. It's my first time to be extended with you guys. So, more than anything, thank you so much for the 10 years of support. Really, thank you so much. And, it's so good to see everyone here. Yeah, I hope you have a fun time today. And this is the first of many. So it's really cool that Catherine said yes also to the project. Someone someday is really excited that she approved. So I'm very, very excited for the project. I know you guys are going to love it. We started by baking, I think we only had like 18 days so far this year. So far so good. Getting back into taping life again. It's been 7 years I think since my last time was here. I'm doing my best.
Is it challenging to be working, with, or are you excited to be working with Kat?
So far it's been great working with her. She's very professional, especially for the pre-prod, even before we start shooting. Very hands-on with the character building, the character development, the script. Things are quite different. Hello? Things are quite different from how it used to be. And how we used to create the shows, also how we shoot it. It's much better than before, I would say that. It's improved a lot, so that's why I'm very excited.
Have you ever watched a Catherine?
I follow her, so yeah, do I not know? How do I see Maybe I see because it gets me posted, but I see a lot, yeah, definitely. Let me check right there.
What's one that you remember?
I'm seeing the AI pictures. I was like, what the? I don't remember shooting this.
We want you to do a
Yeah, I'm following you now. Yeah.
Thank you. show it na lang sa laptop. Okay. Okay lang?
Hindi ko check out sa'yo.
Ay, na-video ko sila. Yes, for yourself.
Nandiyan man si Kuya.
hello to all of the Katwils out there. I'm so sorry you couldn't make it to the 10th year anniversary here in Timog. We're celebrating with everyone for the first time. So I just wanted to say thank you for all of the support. Hopefully next time you can make it. Don't worry, there'll always be next year. And yes, I hope to see more of you soon. Thank you so much. I love you and take care.
Ayun po na sandali ng mga tenga ninyo at meron po tayong pag-ping-pong. Paano sa meron pong isang meron po isang fan, si Ate Shaira. Gumawa po siya ng kanta para sa Cat Reads. Pakinggan po natin.
Try na po ba kayo? Hindi po. Kasi minsan naglolo ko yung DNA dito lang. Try lang natin.
Dinig niyo po ba?
Oh, ito yung composer niya, no? Compose niya para sa
Bibigyan na. Pero siya nag-compose.
Kasi umiyak ko.
Umiyak ako ah! Dinig niyo ba guys? Diba? Diba? Ay, nasa dito. Meron din pala doon. Ay, nagigigil ako. Pinaiyak ako dito, tapos meron pala doon. Iyak ka ulit. Okay na. Ay na.
Nakakaiyak.
Maiyak pa eh.
Ang karapatan mo paiyakin kami.
Sino mo umiyak? Puko sa'yo.
Iyan na kami. Ayan. So, dumaan lang kami dito sa may ABS. Sa PBB, nag-picture lang guys. Ayan. So, short story. Ayan. So, alam niyo ba guys, ang talaga ako, mala J din talaga kami, di ba? Yeah, lagi namin inaabangan dati yung On the Wings of Love.
Kasi naman sila yung naunang fan na na love team. Support lang ba?
Yes, yeah, that talaga ganun guys. Even though fans naman kami ni Catherine, ayan. So, and now we're here, Catherine naman guys. Oh, di ba? And guys, ang dami namin iwi. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh, asan sa'yo? Mga kami girl. Hakot Award. Charot lang. Hindi naman sa Hakot Award. Parang marami lang iuwi. Ganon. So, ayun lang guys. So, i-end ko yung vlog na dito. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to... Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
Subscribe!
subscribe nyo na din siya guys. Bye!